Hey guys, we're up here checking out some Harmony audio products that Carmel's going to be selling for a budget line. And this little guy here is a 1-ohm stable 800 watt 800.1 Harmony audio amp with a bass knob, the whole kit and caboodle. I do believe the price is going to be right on this. Not too shabby. It's looking good. I think it's got a light up thing. Let's get that out of there and have a look at it. Let you guys see it first time I see it, same time. Got the foam in there. Gotta say it's nicely packaged. I like this packing material. That's a plus. Yeah, I do believe that lights up. What do we have in here? Got this. Oh, that's RCAs for line level. So you could do a line level input or speaker level input with the same plugs. That's cool. So high level or low level input. Bass knob, plastic, nothing great, and it has the phono style plugs, the 3.5s again. Not my favorite, but it does function. And we got ourselves some nice little mounting screws, little self-tapping screws. That's handy. So you have some way to snap that amp down to where it belongs. Let's get this thing out of here and have a So I just want to point out that it does come with a bird sheet. It says it did 906 watts, 24/4/20. So January, February, March, April the 20th, 2024. It was tested, passed all the stuff, and did 906 watts. Very nice. So, first off, that's nice. Got a little peeler on it, so you can cover that up. Brushed aluminum. I think it's got some weight to it. Oh, it's got a lot of weight to it, actually. Metal pots. Very nice. So here's your input level, so you can use those RCAs and change it to high or low, depending on whether you're going to input speaker level or low or a line level into it. It's got a power and a protect light over here. Got your remote plug there. Got a gain, low pass, subsonic, frequency, and boost. Nice set of controls for a little subwoofer amp. Very nice. Oh yeah. So we have the Phillips head worm screws over here. It looks like that's a big 8 gauge, maybe a little bigger. Maybe a 6 gauge, maybe a 4 gauge. I think that's a 4 gauge. 4 gauge of positive and ground. And I'm not sure about those guys, maybe 10, 12 for the speaker outputs. But still, for 800 watts, that's a nice little amplifier. Nice little setup. I'm not going to be able to see much going on down here, but let's see. So the board is proprietary. You can see that it says Harmony on the board. So it's got a proprietary board. That's a plus. Very nice. Just getting a sneak peek inside here. See what we can see in there without disassembling this thing. So, what do I think about it? I would have no trouble running this guy. No trouble whatsoever. So let me know what you guys think. Do you want me to review some more of these? You want me to dig deeper into Harmony audio? Check out some of this nice, affordable, really nice equipment. I'm actually impressed with the way that amp looks. I think there's going to be something to be said for a whole lot of their stuff. So if you guys are interested in seeing more of this, shoot me up in the comments down below. Be sure to like and share this video and head over to Carmel Car Audio and check out their YouTube channel. I'll put the linky dinky dink thing down below. Anyway guys, peace.